Does it work? Yeah, it does. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is the happiest man on YouTube. And if you all want to know the secret to my happiness, don't forget to like and smash that subscribe button. So when we hit 1,000 subs, I'm going to share my secret. So as a kid, I was a cool kid, right? So I used to help out some kids in the school to do their homework. I just do their homework for them willingly. And now what I'm going to do is make my computer do my homework, right? So in order to do that, we need to answer some questions. The first question is, what do we all do when we do our homeworks, right? We use Google. So we Google, right? And we use copy paste. So those two things are the main things that exist in homeworks, right? So we're going to automate them, and all we have to do is give the computer the question. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is create a blueprint for the project. So let's get to coding. The first, we're going to create a function to read the homework, to get each question to Google, then to copy paste it. And we're going to be using Selenium.
Class 1.
Gonna cover Selenium.
Heard about Selenium, and we don't. And why do you need it?
You're going to learn to use Selenium with JavaScript.
Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is import the Selenium library into the project, and then create a couple of functions to organize and read the file, get each line question, and then we're going to give it a homework to do, and it's going to do it. We'll see. And this happened. The question every robot is afraid of, the question of life for the man-made robots, the question they can't deny but have to live with, the question that make them different from humans. So after failing the test myself, I had to give it time because it kept asking and asking these meaningless questions. So I took a break. It was a cool break. I had fun, to be honest. I edited a bunch of videos, and then I played the Mario game that I made. This one on the screen is a trial one. If you want to see the real stuff, I'm gonna put a link, and it's a tutorial you can go along with. And this is just a test thing. The real thing is the real deal for sure. You're gonna love it. And then yeah, I just played. I jumped around, literally jumped around on the game, just punching down spacebar, spacebar, spacebar till the character is off the screen, and it come back again, and I just jumped around like everybody should. Yeah. So after that, I decided enough fun. So let me get back to the homework, nerd. So he will help me a lot. Not he, I mean it will help me a lot. So let's just get into it, right? Don't be scared. Damn, that was cool. So now I decided to do everything. Like even if it doesn't work, even if it is still asking me if I'm a robot or not, I'm just gonna code everything and try it out later on, or the next day maybe. I don't know the criteria for these things to stop asking, so just gonna wait it out. it worked a bunch of times, as you can see in the fast forward video, but it just returned. It just came asking me again and again. So after writing the code and everything, I decided to try it the next day. Little did I know that something's going down, was going down. So the light is back on, the power is back on. So I'm just going to show you what the HW file type does. It's basically numbers, and the next one is the separator from the text, and each question is one line. It doesn't go to the next line, it's only one line. That's just it. So now let's try it. So just run it. I give it the question and the way it should answer, and it's googling right now, as you can see. Google's once the page is loaded, it will put it on a text file that I wanted it to put in, and then print out what it copied on the command prompt. So now there are about 14 questions. It's gonna Google each and one of them, copy paste it, each and one of them, and copy paste it. Good. So after I run the command, this is the answer generated by the nerd. So I ask it to put it on a text file, .txt, and here's what it does. And I added a sentence to identify which question it is. If it is number question 1, if it is the second question or the third question. It also does that, checks, and I think it's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be posting whole lot of videos like this soon, and I'll be posting once or twice a week. So love you guys. Bless.